My favorite part about serving at the Newman Center is that when I come to the Newman Center, I feel like I'm so filled that I can't just keep it to myself, but I have to give it away. So then when I get filled, I could give back to others.
My favorite part about serving here at Newman is just being here, as we are on a college campus and these students are coming here to learn more about their faith and growing more in their faith. And specifically Newman, as we host so many events throughout the year, as Newman nights or the procession or just retreats in general, as just every little part that every person does builds more into the faith, into just this family we have here at Newman.
Serving at the Newman Center has changed my heart because I've been able to appreciate those who have served me in the past, as well as the gift that I have to serve. I've served very little in the church before this, and serving at Newman is just different because there's no pressure to serve, and it's truly just a choice that you can make for yourself.
Having the opportunity to serve has brought me a lot deeper, allowed me to just grow in relationship with all the people I'm serving with and all the people I'm serving for. Just getting to see everyone's smiling faces every time we sit up for Mass or for Newman night. It's so good, so warm and welcoming.
Every time I serve at the Newman Center, it reminds me that I'm not living my life for myself anymore, but I'm living it for Christ. And that's my whole reason why I'm doing what I'm doing.
I think we're all called to some sort of service. For anyone who has served at the Newman Center, it's just very, sometimes hectic, very chaotic. We missing things. We're always on a time crunch, but it's so much fun, so exciting, so fulfilling to see all the finished product.
As this family is just constantly growing, and as the family grows, we obviously need more space. But with that comes obviously new people and new hearts that really give their all.
We use every every last little bit of the Newman Center that we can, because we don't have room to not use every corner of the Newman Center.
I think of how the heart of Jesus Christ was also very much a servicial heart. His entire being was an act of service.
You really feel like you're part of a family here, and it just helps you get closer to the Lord, and also just gets closer to knowing who you are